Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to make one of my favorite sandwiches of all time, the Monte Cristo. It is just a ham and cheese that you take it, you dip it in egg like French toast, you fry it up, equals deliciousness. We're going to do optional powdered sugar, maple syrup on top at the end. It's just one of those sandwiches, ham and cheese, French toast, combined, delicious. Like all ham and cheese sandwiches, it's one of those things that's just greater than the sum of all of its parts, right? You got ham, delicious, cheese, delicious, eggs, bread, all good, French toast, great. Combine them together and they just make something even better and more magical. So let's get into it. My name is Jordan. I'm a professional cook and a home cooking nerd, and I'm here to share my recipes and my techniques and whatever food I'm obsessing with today with you. Let's get into the video.
Okay, we'll start by cracking 4 large eggs into a mixing bowl, as I eloquently do right here, and that camera angle switch, I'm very proud of that one. Once we get those all in the bowl, we are going to add 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla, and then we will also add a tablespoon of cream. Make sure you spill it on the side of the bowl and the counter, cutting board, etc. like I did, crucial part of the step. Then we will add salt and pepper to taste. Okay, so now that everything's in our bowl, we'll start mixing it up. Good camera angle switch there. I'm new to this and I'm very proud of those. Once that's all mixed up, there we go, we will set that aside. Next we'll start grating our gruyere cheese after we wipe down our station from that cream spill. You don't have to grate it, you could use slice, whatever floats your boat, whatever makes you happy in your life, do it. I did grated because I think it melts a little bit better that way, plus the shape of the brick I got makes little slices, and I hate little slices, so I grated it. Now that's all grated, I will put it in a prep container, as I like to do with everything, and set that aside. Okay, next we will make our Dijonnaise. Fun fact, it's just Dijon mustard and mayonnaise. That's it. I did about 2 parts mayo to 1 part Dijon there. As you can see, put it in the container and then give that a mix up. And we'll set that aside. Okay, so now we'll build the sandwich. We will get our bread. I used a brioche loaf in slices. Take that Dijon, or Dijonnaise I should say, and spread it on each side of the bread like I do here. Then we're gonna add our gruyere cheese. I did it on both sides because I'm a both sides boy. That's how I like it. Then we will add our ham. Learn from my mistakes, please. Cut the ham to fit the bread better. It overhanged on the sandwich. It's a great sandwich, but I didn't like how it overhanged. It's bugging me now that I'm editing this video. So, learn from my mistakes. Cut it so it fits better and looks less sloppy. You'll thank me for it later, I promise. Okay, so now we're gonna close that up. We're gonna grab that sandwich and we're going to dip it into our egg mixture we set aside from earlier. There it is. Give it a nice bam on each side. You want it to be coat and soak through a good portion of the bread. Let it drain a bit. Oh, different camera angles, look at that. And then we'll add it into a hot skillet. Medium high heat on this one. Usually like 400 degrees that pan should be. Get it crispy on the one side. I'm checking it there. Give it a flip over, nice color on it like that, and then let the same thing happen to the next side. Once both sides look like that and it's nice and gooey in the middle, pull that thing out and we'll move it to our cutting board. And now we'll cut it in half and transfer it to a plate. I always do it on diagonal. I can't handle cutting it in half any other way than diagonal, especially if it's a square sandwich, but that's me. Do what you feel is best. Next part is optional. It is to add powdered sugar and maple syrup. Some people like that, some people hate it. I think both ways have a place. So there you have it.
Okay, we did it, guys. We made the Monte Cristo. It was delicious, looked good, executed well. Tell me what you guys think. Do you want to try this home? What do you like? If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, smash the likes buttons, all those fun things. Any comments? Appreciated. Tell me what you think. Did you like the recipe? Would you change anything? What do you want to see me make next? Thanks for sticking around. See you in the next video.